Welcome back to Fork in the Kitchen. I'm Becca, and I'm here to help you make meatless meals that everyone will love. Today, it is these toasted breadcrumbs, and they are one of the simplest ways to elevate dinners, from pastas to veggie side dishes. They add a buttery, crunchy addition that is unbeatable, and they are so easy to make in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. Grab a skillet and heat it over medium heat, and we'll melt 1 tablespoon of butter. You could also use olive oil to keep this totally vegan. I just love the flavor that a little butter adds. Now, once the butter's melted, we'll turn down the heat a little bit because we're going to mix everything together in the pan to keep it super simple. So I've got a cup of panko, and to it we'll add a little garlic powder because I can't resist garlic. Some Italian seasoning. I've got my homemade blend here that I'll link for you below. Just adds a really nice flavor. And then of course, a little salt. Now mix that all together in the pan, making sure all those breadcrumbs are coated with the butter. And once they're looking a little more like wet sand, spread them in an even layer. This is not a recipe you want to walk away from because the breadcrumbs can very quickly burn. After a couple minutes, go ahead and give it a stir. You'll see they'll start to turn golden brown. And then spread them in another even layer for a few more minutes. They're already starting to smell so good. Pretty close. They're nice and toasty. They are super golden brown. They smell so good. Transfer them to a bowl to use right away, or you can let them cool and store them in an airtight container. Either way, once they're ready, make sure you take them off the heat immediately so they don't burn. So simple, yet so wonderful. See how easy that was? They're ready to use right away on pastas, veggie side dishes, salads, and so much more. But they are so good, you could just eat them on their own. Oh, let's do that again. Oh my goodness. They're crunchy, they're buttery, they're salty, they're flavorful from that Italian seasoning. They're so good. I will see you back here next week for another meatless meal that everyone will love. And until then, happy eating. Did I say what I said I was going to say? But you're going to be on TV. It's fine. It's like, okay, not TV, Becca. The breadcrumbs might burn.